In the world of logistics and supply chain management, timely and accurate deliveries are crucial for customer satisfaction and business success. One of the key challenges faced by companies is ensuring that packages reach their destinations without unnecessary delays caused by incorrect or incomplete addresses. Address validation is the process of verifying the accuracy and completeness of shipping addresses to ensure smooth and error-free deliveries. Inaccurate addresses can lead to delayed shipments, increased operational costs, and dissatisfied customers. POV-TMS integrates a real-time address validation system that cross-checks shipping addresses against a reliable and up-to-date database. It also incorporates intelligent algorithms to identify and rectify common address errors, advanced geocoding technology, customizable validation rules, and automated notifications. Address validation in POV shipping solution streamlines operations, improves customer satisfaction, and leads to cost savings by preventing delays and optimizing routes. POV-TMS, with its advanced address validation feature, ensures that businesses navigate the complex terrain of shipping and deliveries with ease, fostering a reputation for excellence in customer service and operational efficiency.